beautiful design shirt. Let me show you how to make shirts without shoulder seam. You can apply that on kimonos. I have a satin fabric for this tutorial. I'm making use of 2 yards of satin. You can use any fabric of your choice. I have to fold it into 2. The right side facing the right side. I'm facing the folded side. You can see the opening side. I'm going to take it like so. Watch me. I will place it directly at the center. May not make it equal. It will be at an angle point. Place it straight to the center. As you do that, you will achieve a slopey shoulder for your shirt. Let me ship this part. You can see the excess out there. When you open this and place it like so, let me open it like this. So you can see the excess. It must be an angle shape. You can see that. I'll go ahead and use my scissors and cut it out so we can have a straight line while imputing our measurements. I'll go ahead and cut it out so we can get straight measurements. The opening side I'm showing you right now is the front bodies, and the one underneath, the folded side, is the back bodies. You can see that. So let's get to the next one. I've gone ahead and used pin to hold it very well. For the nature of this, I don't want it to move. The fabric can move easily. Next is the neck width of this shirt, 3.5 inches, and then half an inch for the back neck depth. I'll curve it like so. I hope you're seeing that. The next one you see me imputing now is the front neck depth, 3.5 inches. I'll curve it like so. If you're in a small side, you can go less than that. Okay, I'm imputing the half of my shoulder, which is 8 inches. 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. From there, I will mark my sleeve length. I'll come down by 10.5 inches. That is my sleeve opening. Use a straight ruler to connect it upward. Mark a straight line at the hem side so we can get equal measurement for our shirt. After which, the length I'm using for this shirt is 26 inches, including the seam allowance. Now I'll go in a little bit at this part and mark the quarter of my hip on my hem side of the shirt plus 2 inches extra. This is how free I want the shirt to be. I'll connect it to the sleeve part. Using my straight ruler to connect that straight line, I'll curve this part. I'm going to use this Ankara fabric to design this, extend it this part, but I'll cut it out and cut the Ankara separately. If you are using the same fabric, extend it by 5 inches and that will be better. Now I'll go ahead and cut out the back neck depth so you can separate the front bodies from the back bodies. You can see that. Then I'll go ahead and cut out the front body's neck depth and notch the center back. I'll go ahead and cut out the bodies. Very easy to make. Something you can make in less than 1 minute. You're done cutting it. Let me open it up. You can see our shirt is ready for the design. You can see that. You go ahead and prepare the placket with this fabric and also extend this part like I said. I will extend the Ankara fabric, this unfold, and have to measure the length of my sleeve. Now, at this point, I'm going to extend the Ankara width, which I need for this design, 5 inches. If you don't want mixed fabric like I did, after your sleeve length measurement, you can extend it by extra 5 inches and go ahead and cut. I'll go ahead and mark the width of 5 inches and cut it out. It's supposed to be 2 pieces of it. The left side of the sleeve and the right side of the sleeve, which you see me cutting out. Let's keep it aside. Now let me show you how you can stitch that. After stitching this part, go ahead and fold it this way and fold it this way. You achieve that design on the hem side of the sleeve. And next to your seam here is the placket. I've gone ahead and cut out the length of the placket. The width I'm using for this placket is 2 inches. When I fold it two sides and fold it again, it will get to the 1 inch width. I'll go ahead and use the paper interface and fuse this design for this Ankara. You can see the shoulder is sloped without joining at the shoulder. This is how to achieve this beautiful shirt without joining at the shoulder, and it will slope very well. I've gone ahead and stitched the sleeve part like I said, and this is how I did that. Well, I will show you in the other side of the sleeve. Let me open that side of the sleeve so you can see what I did and what I achieved so far. And this is how I iron that and fold it in. I'm going to fold it again, and very close to the edge I will stitch it for neat finishing and professional way. Now this is our placket. I've gone ahead and folded the iron the two sides inward and fold it again and iron it to achieve. Like I said, it's 2 inches width I use here. After the folding, it will be 1 inch placket. Go ahead and attach that. Before we attach the placket, you go ahead and turn our shirt to the right side facing the right side and stitch, and also hem the downside and fix our placket this way. It's a short tutorial. Go ahead and measure the round neckline for the collar. I'll use the same material for the collar. You can see our shirt is ready. I've joined the two sides. You can see that. I also hem the down part and add my placket. And for the collar you're seeing, very beautiful collar, I have a tutorial on how I make a detailed two-piece collar. I'll drop the link on the description box below. Okay, the next thing we're going to do now, we go ahead and create out the buttonhole. You can see the slope shoulder without joining the shirt at the shoulder. Very easy to make and very beautiful shirt. All you need to go do now is to create out your buttonhole and add your button using needle and thread to fix your button. And we are done. My next tutorial, I will show you how I make a beautiful skirt, 360-degree skirt for this shirt. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.